Hey there, I'm Warren Nash and here is a great healthy recipe for Spanish rice. This has loads of flavours going on, plus it's also brilliant for keeping you fuller for longer. Now to start with, take one white onion, slice the ends off, slice in half then peel, then finely chop. Also take 2 garlic cloves, again peel and finely chop with a sharp knife, then set aside with the onion. Next, take a saucepan and place over a medium to high heat on the stove. Heat up a small amount of olive oil, then add the chopped onions and garlic. Also add a handful of chopped chorizo, then fry these ingredients for about 5 minutes. And once you've finished frying off these ingredients, then add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Then add 200 grams of long grain rice and then pour some boiling water into the pan until all the ingredients are just covered. At this point add some seasoning if needed, and for an extra flavour boost crumble in 1 vegetable or chicken stock cube, then mix everything together. And now leave your Spanish rice to simmer for 15 minutes. Keep topping the water up if needed, then after the simmering time add a handful of frozen peas. Mix these in, then leave to simmer for a further 5 minutes. Now, after the simmering time and when enough of the water has evaporated off, sprinkle over some freshly chopped parsley and mix it in. And then your Spanish rice is ready to serve. Simply remove it from the heat and serve while still hot. And that is how to make this delicious Spanish rice recipe, which is also super easy to prepare.